My name is Anton and I'm from Ukraine. As a freelance developer living with cerebral palsy, tasks like typing and speaking can be difficult, which limits my ability to communicate effectively. AI has played a significant role in simplifying complex physical actions and enhancing skills that are challenging for me due to my disability. I firmly believe that AI has enormous potential to make a positive impact on the lives of people with disabilities. When I first heard about GitHub Copilot, I was doubtful that it could handle such a complex task as coding. But I was surprised at how helpful and relevant the suggestions it gave me were.
My name is Becky. EyeMine technology allows me to control software interfaces, and it means that this is one of the few things I can do totally independently.
Let's make this commit here and then we'll push it to GitHub, okay?
I am now coding some new mods myself to be incorporated into the EyeMine interface in the future. I am loving it.
I took a video and I put it on TikTok.
So I have a nonverbal sibling. A lot of apps that are made for people who can't talk are extremely expensive. This is why I have created FreeSpeech.
I'm really making the app for my sister. In my heart of hearts, I'm constructing it for her. I can harness my powers as a developer, if you want to call it that, to make free communication software.
Accessibility could be a flagship use case for cutting-edge technologies.
Open source is a very important part of the accessibility community. A lot of us are building our systems on top of other people's systems.
The telephone was invented while developing a communication tool for hearing impaired in 1800s. The AI suitcase is at the moment for the visually impaired, but eventually I envision it to be available and practical for all people.
I got injured at age 15. Living as a quadriplegic gives me a special perspective looking at the world. That's why I wanted to do research on accessibility. There's still a lot of people that don't know about accessibility. I believe every person deserves the equal right to access information, so they shouldn't be limited because the developers did not consider it during their design.
Access to technology is a make or break for blind people in terms of getting an education or seeking employment or maintaining employment.
When Mick approached me with this idea of writing a completely free screen reader, I was intrigued, but a little bit skeptical. Like, look, all of these companies have been working on these really expensive products for years. What makes us think that we could write this free thing?
It all comes down to access and people's view of what blind people can do.
Everything that we do should ultimately be, empowering other people to make the world better. I mean, that's how you force multiply, how you make something small into something much bigger that honestly just makes the world better for everyone.